Hello friends and students, welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. In this video, I will solve some typical examples on derivative. So, let's begin. Now, in this video, I will solve the derivative, the second order derivatives. Example on second order derivative. The first example, if x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta, then show that a square into bracket y into d2y by dx square plus dy by dx bracket square plus b square is equal to 0. Now given x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta. Now differentiating x and y with respect to theta. Differentiating with respect to theta, we get dxy d theta is equal to a is a constant, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, so minus a sin theta, and derivative of y with respect to theta, b is constant, derivative of sin is cos theta. Therefore, by derivative of parametric function, dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So this is equal to dy by d theta is equal to b cos theta upon dx by d theta is minus a sin theta. So this is equal to minus b upon a, cos upon sin is become cot theta, and therefore dy by dx we got minus b upon a cot theta. Now again differentiating with respect to theta, again differentiating with respect to x, we get it is d2y by dx square is equal to d by dx of minus b upon a cot theta. Now theta is function of x, so we first differentiate with respect to theta. For that I can write d by d theta minus b upon a cot of theta into d theta by dx. So this is equal to minus b upon a, it is a constant, we take outside of the bracket, derivative of cot theta is equal to minus cosec square theta, minus cosec square theta. D theta by dx is the reciprocal of dx by d theta, it is minus a sin theta, so it's reciprocal, so it is minus 1 upon a sin theta is equal to, it is minus become plus and multiply by minus, so it is minus a into a square d upon a square, and 1 upon sin theta is become cosec theta, so it is already is here cosec square theta, so we add one more index here, so it is cosec cube theta, so it is nothing but d2y by dx square. This is number 1, and we know that dy by dx is equal to minus b upon a tan theta, and therefore dy by dx bracket square is equal to b square upon a square into cot square theta. Now we have to prove that a square into bracket y into d square d2y by dx square plus dy by dx bracket square plus b is equal to 0. So we take LHS. LHS is equal to a square bracket y. The value of y is b sin theta. So it is y is b sin theta. Taking that y is equal to b sin theta, b sin theta into d2y by dx square from equation 1. So it is equation number 2, equation 1 minus b upon a square cosec cube theta bracket complete plus dy by dx bracket square, it is b square upon a square cot square theta plus a square is equal to a square bracket multiply b, so it is minus b square upon a square sin theta into cosec cube theta. Sin theta means 1 upon cosec, so one index is decreased in the index of the cosec theta, so it is become cosec square theta plus b square upon a square cot square theta plus a square is equal to, we take minus sign b square upon a square common, so a square b square upon a square minus sign taken common bracket here cosec square theta minus cot square theta plus a square. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Identity first, so it is a square get cancelled minus b square bracket 1 plus a square is equal to, sorry, here we have given b square, so we write here b square, it is a b square, it is a b square, so it is b square, so minus b square plus b square, it is equal to 0. It is nothing but RHS. Hence we have proved a square into bracket y into d2y by dx square plus dy by dx bracket square is equal to plus b square is equal to 0. Number 2, x is equal to sin t and y is equal to e raised to mt, then show that bracket 1 minus x square into d2y by dx square minus x into dy by dx minus m square y is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to, number 2, x is equal to sin t, y is equal to e raised to mt. Therefore y become e raised to m, t x is equal to sin t, so t is equal to sin inverse of x, so we put value of t, it is sin inverse of x. This is equation number 1. Differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to, we know that e raised to x derivative of e raised to x is itself e raised to x, so here e raised to m sin inverse x, by using chain rule it is derivative of m into sin inverse x. M is constant, so this is equal to m e raised to m sin inverse x, derivative of m is constant, derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. Multiplying under root of 1 minus x square to the LHS, so it is under root of 1 minus x square dy by dx is equal to m into e raised to m sin inverse x. This is equation number 2. Again differentiating with respect to x, again differentiating with respect to x, we get, it is product of two functions, so we use product rule, so it is under root of 1 minus x square derivative of dy by dx plus keeping dy by dx is constant, differentiating under root, the derivative of, we know that under root of x, d by dx of under root of x is 1 upon 2 under root x, so using this it is 1 upon 2 under root of 1 minus x square into derivative of the under root quantity 1 minus x square is equal to derivative of e raised to m sin inverse x is m sin inverse x into derivative of m into sin inverse x. Therefore, under root of 1 minus x square d2y by dx square, dy dx of dy by dx is d2y by dx square plus dy by dx 1 upon 2 times under root of 1 minus x square, derivative of 1 minus x square, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of x square is 2x is equal to, now derivative of m sin inverse x is m times derivative of sin inverse x, m into m square, e raised to m sin inverse of x into 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. Now multiplying under root of 1 minus x square throughout, multiplying under root of 1 minus x square on both sides, we get multiply by under root of 1 minus x square, it is become 1 minus x square d2y by dx square plus we multiply by under root of, so it is minus 2 to get cancel, it is minus x dy by dx is equal to m square e raised to m sin inverse x. Now equation number 1, y is equal to e raised to m sin x inverse x using 1, equation 1, for this it is y. Therefore 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx is equal to m square into y. So taking m square y to the left hand side, therefore 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x into dy by dx minus m square y is equal to 0. So this is the, we want to prove, we want to show that 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x into dy by dx minus m square y is equal to 0. So this is the proof. Thanking you for watching my video.